Down on Cape Cod, where we have been watching for coastal flooding, for winds, for the blizzard conditions, we have Bill Shields in Sandwich for us. And good afternoon, Bill. We know you've been through a lot already. What are you seeing right now?
Well, we're seeing just the ocean back off just a little bit. We had a little bit of splash over to high tide about 9:30 this morning and some erosion down the way here at Town Neck Beach. That particular beach and that series of sand dunes has been battered this winter. It actually opened up into the marshland in back of where we are right here. But you can see the ocean right now is not really bad. It's just a little bit angry, I think. And I think you can see why when I walk out here, you'll see what happens. See what happens when we get out of the lee of the building. Oh, hold on. It's really rough in the wind. That's why I think you don't see anybody in the parking lots around here like we did in the January storm. People are parking and watching the weather, which is fun. It's just fun to do. But not this time. People are staying home, I think, because the winds are like steady at 45, 50, gusty to I don't know what, but very, very, very gusty. And all this wet snow sticking to power lines. The power's down out in Sandwich and a lot of Barnstable. So it's a very tough day. And we're still got another 5-6 hours of this to go. Should be a lot of fun. In case you're wondering why I'm there wearing yellow pants, if I blow away, they can find the body a little easier.
Bill, you're always thinking of the other side. That's what we love about you. You're having fun out there. And this is when your ski goggles really come in handy.
Bill Shields, he knows how to capture the moment. He really does. Bill, we hope you're safe out there.
It is nice to watch.
All right, Bill Shields live in Sandwich. Thanks so much.